Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing. We're going to go outdoors. We're going to redo the living room and kind of create an indoor gym because it is just too darn cold to be running outside. If you're new here, my name is Rita Slanina. I am an actress, author, and post lifestyle content like this. Please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and let's get going. First of all, Happy New Year, everyone. This is my officially first video of the new year. I have sort of taken a lot of time off, I guess. It has been so crazy since, I don't know, the latter third quarter and fourth quarter of 2024. Am I alone in that? Has anyone else felt that pain? Regardless, it was time to refresh, give a new start to this room. I've had this cabinet here that I found at a thrift store rummage sale. I got it at a rummage sale, and it's so cute. I just completely love it. And I did a little bit of refreshing of paint on the walls, and I wanted to create a space that was, I don't know, more inviting, where I would want to work out. I work out a lot. I work out with the hubs. You guys probably have seen the videos. This is something we enjoy doing together. And, but I don't always make it to the gym. So one of the things I wanted to do for 2025 was sort of create a space inside the house to at least get some cardio and some weight work done in-house when I know I've got a really crazy day of work in the office, and I don't have to leave the house to get this done. Let me know in the comments below, do you have any gym memberships, or do you work out at home only, or do you do a combination of the two? The hubs and I have multiple gym memberships, but I also like to get in some working out at home when I can't always leave the office. So I'm curious to know if this is something you've either thought of doing or you already do. And, I'm open to some organizational tips and tricks because I am putting this in the great room where the living room is and the television and it's like there's the kitchen. Like it's a very open plan in this room, and as you could see, I keep the logs in there for the fireplace, and this cabinet actually is fairly lightweight and a little wonky, I would say. It doesn't sit straight, and that could just be because of the tile floors, but I found that I can't really put too many heavy items inside of this cabinet. I think it's originally used as like an office cabinet, but I love it. I just really love it. And I thought this just suited the room perfectly for what I was going to use it for, but I did realize those weights inside of the cabinet were just going to be too heavy for the unit, and so I decided against that.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave.
So here's the last looks of this corner space where I have neatly placed all the weights. That's just a basket that's really for looks, grocery bags, reusable grocery bags. Ultimately at the end there, I do put a exercise bar that's for sit-ups on top of this cabinet because I really didn't have any other place to put it, excuse me. But in this little workout box, you're going to find separate weights, bands, stretchy bands for working out. Those are foam blocks for stretching. And lastly, the yoga mat, which, hang tight, we will be back to that situation in a minute, and I will give you the final reveal.
We're doing an unboxing today. What is happening? Is this really okay? I don't know why my dog is being so. Why are you being so clingy today? Okay. We're just gonna
You got a mind, but even that could change.
You can sit right here.
Like some batter in your brain.
Sit with Mama.
Okay. Fake it till you make it A. And if you play that
Okay.
game, then you might make it.
We're unboxing today! Yay! Oh, Bruno, we unboxed. Okay. Oh, let's get a little cozy. Let's get a little cozy. This video is not about you. Okay. Ready? Horrible helper. Oh my gosh, are you a terrible helper or what? My Barbie! Barbie Birkenstocks! You guys know, I am like obsessed with the Barbie movie. Okay, how do we put these? Bruno! No! Come here! There we go. Okay, thank you. Oh, jeez, this is making life very hard. Oh, well, I got narrow and I got a 6 to 6.5 and they fit perfect. Oh my God, this is making a horrible video. Okay. Okay, see how cute they are? They're so cute.
I've never had Birkenstocks before, and I could not pass them up because they were pink and all about the Barbie movie. Yay! Put in the comments below, have you ever owned a pair of Birkenstocks? What is your favorite or least favorite thing about them? I'd love to hear from you.
I want athletic gear. I work out year round. This Leggings company. Let's see. And Bruno's here to help. Oh, yay! Whoa. So these are a set of wool socks. My feet are always cold in the winter. Oh my gosh, I forgot the microphone.
Okay, that's better. So, you could tell I'm out of practice. Oh, Bruno's back. You were a bully today. I let you out and you didn't even want to go out. You just went out kinda. Okay, so we're unboxing from Amazon. Since I'm wearing, we'll do black. Okay. But they're wool. They're 35%. Oh, I thought they were 100% wool. 35% wool, 36 polyester, 29% cotton. No, give that back. Gosh, you are so rude. Why are you being so rude? Well, they kind of feel warm right now. I don't know, maybe. I have to feel this one out, I'm not sure. Why do you have to be in all my shots? Now I understand why people don't like to work with children or animals. Okay, moving on. They're just socks. Okay. Okay, BALEAF. Or BALEAF. Now, I am so excited about this. So it's hard for me to go out in the winter time and work out. It's just too cold. And I'm wearing 4 layers of everything and then peeling them off. Please don't. Stop it. Sit. Oh, good boy. Okay.
this, stop. Okay, see, so this is the, I'm gonna strangle this dog. This is, this is the BALEAF. It's, yeah, it's like, it's fuzzy and underneath. Can you see that texture? Like, that's really nice. I did get them on sale. They should be on sale because it's winter. Okay, and then these are water resistant too. Are these water? I don't know if the top is water resistant, but I know these leggings are. So if you run in snow, it's got pockets on the side for your, oh my gosh, look how warm these look. Okay, I got a size small, so we're gonna see how these fit in a minute. Wow, that's why is this so long, this tag? Can any of you read that? Like, that is so small. Like, how small is it? I can't read any of that. So, and I have good vision, but oh, there's 3 pockets. So you have 2 side pockets and 1 pocket behind you for probably IDs or whatever. So I don't know. I just got a new phone and the hub said the phone is too big for pockets. So this might not be actually the best idea. Okay, let's try this on. These really do feel like a wetsuit material. I love all the pockets. I think it's so thick. Oh, Bruno. And water resistant. They did say my recommended size was a large, but I opted for the small because I didn't feel that was probably correct. There's another pocket on the back side there. I think these fit perfect. I do not regret going with the small. I'm 5'2", about 100 and, I don't know, 120 maybe right now. So that helps with measurements to the sizing guide.
And this was the second set of leggings that I purchased. These have no pockets, which were kind of annoying, but they are warm. They have a fleece inner lining.
Also, I absolutely love a mock neck. This does feel warm. I could have sized down. I did get a medium because I had a feeling this ran small, but this I think runs true to size. Okay, that is a reflector feature. So if you're running, people will see you if you're running outside in the dark. But I do like a mock neck, and I think this fits great. It's a little loose, but it's a medium, and I'm okay with that because I will probably wear something underneath as well, but definitely worth the purchase. I'm excited about this loose fit too, so.
And I couldn't pass up these adorable racerback tanks. So cute. And we're back to the refresh of the great room where we are throwing together an exercise space that I can both utilize every day and it also functions seamlessly in this room. Now, when I was setting up I call this Barbie pink treadmill, which I'm in love with. Like, just makes me smile every time I look at it, you guys. You have no idea. It's so cute. But it's light, it's compact. And I set it up here in the middle of the room initially, but we just kind of kept tripping over it. And the robot Jeeves, the vacuum, that runs on battery, it's also super cute. It likes to go up on these floor mats that I put down. It doesn't really look at them as a bumper, but that's neither here nor there. Do you guys have a robot vacuum, and how do you stop it from going up on things you don't want it to? Because mine has a mind of its own. Okay. Almost fell off. Hold on. Wait. Oh God, I'm making dizzy. I'm walking on it. I would say it's slower than like your traditionally commercial versions. And so like I'm at 3, like the 3.0 speed, and usually the 3.0 speed on a traditional is like a fast walking pace, and this pace right now feels like, I mean, it's kinda, but not really. So I don't know, this is fun. It's fun that I could just do this here. So as you can see, this place was a disaster, and I wanted to kind of rearrange it so it just felt a little more open and we weren't tripping all over everything. I cleared the space along that wall there that you're looking at, and voila, there it is, sectioned off, its own little specific place. I thought it came out absolutely beautiful, and now I have a place to work out every morning that I don't have time to head to the gym outdoors. So it was time to get ready and head outside. With all this talk of the outdoors and the cool winter breeze in the air, we thought we'd go to a local lake. It was the cutest little ducks, and my gosh, the friendliest wild ducks I'd ever seen. Come along with us. We had such a nice time. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging with us today on our first official video of 2025. I hope you had as much fun as we did. Bruno, the ever fun diva, was fun to work with as usual, and of course, make sure you like the video to let Bruno know that you love him and you want to see more of him. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you again next time. What I'm going to tell you is, if you guys were on my live stream this morning, and you know I was working on this brain dump list, which was room by room, I didn't get to anything else except the backyard, but I got dog poo, chick poo, sweep, dump trash on the side, and I think I did pretty good because those are all outdoor tasks and they're absolute. You're ruining my shot.